everybody, this is Cooking 101 with Michelle and Lucy. I'm Lucy, she's Michelle. And you're going to need to start off with about 1/3 full a pot of dirt. Next, you'll need cracked open tomatoes, dried, moldy, red. Does it mean if it's ripened or not? It doesn't like matter? Doesn't matter at all. It doesn't matter if it's small or big, large, or it can be dirt in it, green, orange, dirty, anything, okay? And then you'll need 20 of these pistachio shells.
Little dirt won't hurt.
Okay, next we'll need the mushroom. I took up the other side of the mushroom. Okay, so this is what. Well, dirt doesn't hurt. Remember that. Yeah, dirt doesn't hurt. You really need those flakes. So you need these flakes right here. You're going to be cutting this up. So you also be needing some scissors. As you can see, they're a little dirty.
Remember, dirt doesn't hurt.
Okay, so we're done. Oh yeah, and then you're gonna need some like shredded up hay. Make sure you get the brown stuff. The green stuff, not good, because that's what the goats eat. Brown stuff is what they don't eat, and so that's what you're going to need. Next, you want jacaranda leaves. We'll be plucking these one by one. You don't want the whole branch, because inside there, that's poisonous. Anyway, we'll also need some water. Unfiltered is always the best, because it leaves with all the nutrients and like the fresh flavor. Sometimes we'll just literally soak grubs in there, because yeah, that makes it the best. And we're also going to need, we're also going to need a stick for your mixing. Not any of those plastic spoons, those ruin the ocean. Yeah, we literally grabbed it from the tree straight. We didn't take off all the aphids or anything. Yeah, it's lovely. Wonderful. Okay, so first you're going to pour your water here. Next, you get your tomatoes. While I'm mixing, she's going to be cutting the tomato.
That is lovely. That is like music in my ears. That's what you need. Okay. So we're going to put this on the tray and we're going to bring it inside.
This is what it looks like when it's all done with that part. So now we're going to take this outside and we're going to add it into the tray. Okay guys, so you just got this, so you're going to need some nice dried pepper tree leaves. You're going to crunch those up. So these really help to make it not stick with it so it doesn't stick to your little pan. Yeah, so your plate should look pretty good right now. These also help with flavoring, so I'm going to add just a little. So this is how they turned out. They're
Scrumptious. They're just delightful.
break down those instructions and everything, okay? So yeah, see you next time. Remember, this is Cooking 101 with Lucy and Michelle.